Baun Performance, enjoying a nice local craft beer, Hazy Days IPA. Just finished the installation on White Thunder's Mk7 GTI. This is my personal car in the background, but we'll be getting to videos of his in a minute here. So he's got my V2 Gen 2 400 cell EPA approved CAT downpipe, which is check engine light free all on its own, no need for a tune or a spacer. And then my valved Turboback exhaust complete with that downpipe. Full 3-inch the whole way out, 3-inch with the valve open or closed. As you'll see in the video, the passenger side tip is the open dump with the valve open. The valve is electronically actuated with a key fob for open and close, anywhere in between, and that's integrated in with the factory power supply. I don't think I got pictures of it on this go around, but I've gone a little bit in depth in that wiring process on the Mk6R build and the RS6-ish Audi if you follow the channel and you've seen those builds. So anyway, it's about a 40 decibel difference between valve closed and valve open. So night and day. It's nice and sporty and deep, but civilized, nothing obnoxious with the valve closed. Valve open, it's scare small children and make frenemies of your neighbors. So it's nice to have the best of both worlds. My car here has got the aggressive Turboback exhaust, and then there's also the less aggressive, which is about 20% milder than that, and the OEM fitment resonated mid-pipe paired with the downpipe would be about 20% quieter than that still. So lots of options. I'll have plenty of pictures at the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button. Notifications on or off, doesn't matter to me. I just really appreciate your support for those of you that do subscribe to the channel. The majority of you don't, so you know, every subscriber counts towards monetizing the channel. We're getting really close to the 1,000 mark, and looking forward to seeing where the channel goes from there. It's all about beating the algorithm, so if you can like, subscribe, and comment below, I'd really appreciate it. So without any more delay, no more rambling, I'm gonna get back to my beer and let you guys get to the sound clips. Sounds good.